Welcome to another presentation, children. Today we'll be studying Introduction to Multiplication and Multiplication Facts. Let us see what is multiplication. Multiplication is repeated addition. This symbol is the sign of multiplication. It is also called the into sign. Now here is a beautiful bouquet with beautiful flowers in them, and there are about 5 flowers in number in this bouquet. If you have 3 more such bouquets, we'll have 4 bouquets in all with 5 flowers in each bouquet. If we add the number of flowers in each bouquet, we are going to do something like this: 5 plus 5, then plus 5 plus 5. We are adding 5 4 times, which is equal to 20. Now we see the first bouquet, it's one group, second group, third group, and fourth group. So we have 4 groups of 5, or 4 times 5, which will be equal to 4 into 5. We replace times by the sign of multiplication. So we have 4 into 5, which will also be equal to 20. So either you repeatedly add, or we just multiply the number of groups by the number of objects in each group. Notice that this first line with the sign of addition is called addition fact, and this line with the into sign or the multiplication sign is called multiplication fact. Now there are a few cupcakes on the screen. Let's see how many groups. This is the first group of 6. This is the second group of 6. Let's find the total number of cupcakes. 6 plus 6, which is equal to total number of cupcakes are 12. Or since we're learning multiplication, let's see 2 groups of 6 cupcakes, which will be equal to 2 times 6, or we write 2 times 6, and times is replaced by the sign of multiplication. So 2 into 6 will also be equal to 12. So here is our addition fact, and this is the multiplication fact for this question. Now we have 4 groups of 2 carrots. So if we do it by addition to find the total number of carrots, we see that it's equal to 8. 4 groups of 2 carrots will be 4 times 2, or 4 into 2 is equal to 8. In both cases, the answer will be same, right? So here is our addition fact, and this is our multiplication fact. Can you see these beautiful birds dancing and chirping on the branches of the trees? Let's form equal groups of these birds. This is the first group. It has 3 birds in it. Second group has 3 birds, and the third one has 3 birds. So we have formed 3 groups of equal number of birds in them. Let's find the total. If we're going to add 3 plus 3 plus 3, the answer will be 9. And now you know that we can also solve this by multiplication, since multiplication is repeated addition. So 3 groups of 3 birds, or 3 times 3, will be equal to 3 into 3, that is equal to 9. The equation with the sign of addition is called addition fact, and the equation with the multiplication sign is called the multiplication fact. So here there are certain number of cupcakes. Let's form groups of equal number of cupcakes. Starting from the first one, here there are 4 in the first group, 4 in the second group, and 4 in the third group. So if we are going to add 4 plus 4 plus 4, this will be equal to 12. Now if we do this by multiplication, we know that there are 3 groups of 4, or 3 times 4, that will be equal to 3 into 4. In this case also, the answer will be 12. So here is our addition fact, and here is our multiplication fact. Let's practice a few questions based on multiplication, starting with match the following. Column A and column B are given, and there are certain options in both the columns, and we have to match the possible answers in column A to column B. So let's solve the first one. A, 2 times 5. Let's see which option suits best. Yes, it will be the third one. 2 times 5 is 10. So here in this dash, down below the column A, B, C, D dash, in the A dash we will write 3. Now the B part we are adding 3. Let's count how many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. So which option suits best here? Yes, the fourth one, 5 times 3. So in the B dash we are going to write 4. Now next is 4 plus 4 is equal to dash. Let's see the first one. Yes, 2 times 4. This matches with this. So in the C dash we are going to write 1. Now in the D part we are adding 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10, 4 times. So the second option in the B column suits best. So here in this dash, the marked as D, we are going to write 2. These are the questions that you can do in the textbook itself, and check your answers from the next slide.
Yes, now comes the activity time. We are going to do an interesting activity based on multiplication, which we have learned just now. So you please arrange all these materials and you can do the activity at your home. What you will require is your pencil and eraser and your maths notebook. You can do the activity on maths notebook or on any A4 sheet paper. If you want to do it on A4 sheet paper, then also it is fine. And what else you will be requiring is a sticker packet. You can make use of any type of sticker of your own choice, and you will be requiring about 20 stickers. Okay, so let's see how you have to do the activity. So let's start the activity. On top of your notebook page or the A4 sheet, if you are using, just write multiplication on top of it, and then pick up a smiley and stick it over here. Pick up one more smiley and stick it over here. Then put a string over these two smileys so that a group of two smileys is formed. Then pick up one more smiley, stick it over here, and stick one more smiley near to this smiley and put a string over them also. Here we have made another group of two smileys. Then you have to stick one more smiley over here and another smiley just near to this smiley and put a string over them also. So here what have you made, children? You have made three groups of two smileys in each, right? You all can see that there are three groups formed and there are two smileys in each group. So let's write it, three groups of two smileys in each. Okay, and you all have learned in today's session that three groups means three times. We are taking it three times two we are taking, correct? Right? So two smileys, a group of two smileys is getting repeated three times. That means three times we are taking two. Three times we are taking two smileys. So that is equal to how much? That is equal to 6. right? If you count all the smileys together, you are going to get 6 as the answer, correct? So multiplication is what? Repeated addition. Repeatedly we are adding 2 smileys, correct? We are adding 2 3 times. So that is why we have written 3 times 2, which is equal to 6. And we can write it like this, 3, and you all know times is replaced by multiplication sign, and 2. So 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. Okay. Okay, so one problem is being done. Let's do another problem of multiplication using stickers. So pick up another type of sticker, or if you have same sticker, you can make use of the same sticker also. There is no problem. You can make use of any type of sticker. So here, uh, 4 stickers you have to place closer to each other. You can place them in one row also, or you can place them 2 stickers on top and below 2 stickers, as I have done on the slide, and then put a string over these 4 stickers. Okay, then stick 4 more stickers and put a string over them also. So what have we done over here? We have made 2 groups of stickers where we can see that 4 stickers are there in both groups, correct? So we have taken 4 2 times. First of all, we are going to write 2 groups of how many stickers? 4 stickers, because there are 4 stickers in both the groups, or we can say 4 smileys in each, correct? And then 2 groups means 2 times. 2 times 4 we are taking, correct? And which is equal to 8. 4 we are adding 2 times, or we can say 2 times 4 we are taking, and that is equal to 8. And now we can write it like this, 2 multiplication sign, and 4 is equal to 8. Okay, so this is the activity you are supposed to do. Just complete the activity, and then you can post the picture to your maths teacher on in Teams. Okay.